Starting with the greatest 99 name of Allah, is most merciful and most benefiting of all the world. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahir Khan. My father's name is Wasim Iqbal. I am from Arsak. I live in Pakistan. I am 13-year-old. My birthday is on 25 January. I am student JMS Arsak. There are same people in my family. They are quite nice people. I'd like to be a teacher because I like teaching. My father is a teacher. My mother is a housewife. My favorite subject is science. My favorite sport is cricket. There are same people in my family. They are quite nice people. I would like to be a teacher because I like teaching. My hobby is reading. In my free time, also like playing cricket and painting. My best teacher always and my best friend is Arman. He is a good boy. He is a kind, polite, genius, trustworthy, punctual. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is fish.